Laughter is actually your brain's way of handling a logic error. These shouldn't be funny. There's no punchline, no joke, yet you're about to laugh. Think about it. A cat knocking over nothing. A chair squeaking at the wrong moment. A completely normal word said just a second too late. Your brain knows this is meaningless, so why does it still laugh? Today, we're not just showing you funny things. We're uncovering the glitch in your biology and why your brain reacts to them. People think humor is about good timing, cute moments, or clever jokes. But random laughter breaks all those rules. Because sometimes you laugh before you even understand why. Scientists discovered something strange. Every time you laugh, your brain briefly feels confused. For a split second, reality stops making sense. That confusion is not a bug. It's the beginning of humor. So what happens next? Psychologists call it the benign violation theory. Something becomes funny when your brain detects a violation. Something feels wrong, odd, or unexpected. At the same time, it feels safe. No real threat, no harm. When both happen together, your brain short-circuits. It moves from, "this is wrong," to, "oh, it's okay." That mental reset is what you feel as laughter.
Let's see how this works. A cat knocking over an empty cup. Your brain expects stillness. Movement violates that expectation. But the cup is empty. Nothing breaks, no danger. So your brain flips, and you laugh. A squeaky chair at a silent moment. Your brain expects quiet. The noise violates it. But it's harmless, no threat. So again, your brain repairs the moment with laughter. A normal word said at the wrong time. The brain expects one context. Suddenly, the meaning changes. The mismatch feels wrong, but not dangerous. Your brain relaxes. You laugh. Why humor is different for everyone. Your brain decides what counts as a violation and what still feels safe. That's why cultures laugh at different things. And humor changes over time.
So what makes random things funny? Not the moment itself, but the way your brain fixes it. Laughter is not about jokes. It's about repairing broken expectations. And now you know. Your brain isn't laughing at randomness. It's celebrating that it understands again. If you enjoy discovering how your brain really works, this channel is for you, because everyday life is full of hidden science.